This is the recently launched Nikon Z8 that was introduced in India at a price of Rs 3,43,995. Well, during my stint with the camera, I did find a few pros and cons which I want to share with you all. Hi, you're watching Gadget Times. This is me, Pavni Jain, and it's time to tell you about the things that I liked of the Nikon Z8 and the things that I didn't like, so that you guys can make an informed decision whether to buy this product or not. We'll begin with the pros first. So with Nikon Z8, you do get a vast range of internal video formats, and it is a big plus one, especially for me, because it kind of gives videographers the greater flexibility in the post-production process. This actually ensures compatibility with different editing workflows, and that is what we all need. The more the merrier. So one really good thing with Nikon Z8 is that it allows you to save and recall your personalized settings. Basically, it helps you in streamlining your shooting process, and it also helps you in maintaining the consistency in different shooting scenarios. So the built-in stabilization of the Nikon Z8 works really well. It helps in minimizing all the camera shakes. It helps in smoother and more stable footage. And one thing that I really liked is it really helps, this stabilization system helps in handheld shooting scenarios. I can say so because I've done a lot of video shoots using the Nikon Z8. Now here are the things that I didn't like. While the autofocus performance of the Nikon Z8 is generally accurate, it falls short when it's compared to its competitors like Sony and Canon, especially in low light situations and in subject tracking. So when you're recording in 8K, the camera may experience overheating issues, which may hamper your continuous shooting process, and it will require you to let it cool down so that you can start shooting again. While I didn't experience this drawback myself, but there were a lot of reports doing rounds on the internet stating that the Nikon Z8 boasts weak anchor points. There were professional photographers stating that while they were shooting for a longer period of time, the camera fell off the ground because of the weak anchor points. I'm attaching a few pictures here, but in my opinion, I just want to share my experience that I also shot using the Nikon Z8, but I didn't feel or experience something like that. Well, should you buy Nikon Z8 or not? Well, I would say Nikon Z8 is a rich feature set at a very reasonable price, because this device sits perfectly between the Sony Alpha series and Canon R series. So I think if you are a professional videographer or photographer who's looking for a very user-friendly kind of a device or a camera, you should definitely consider buying Nikon Z8. Now, because this camera boasts dual Type-C connections, I'm going to go and transfer my footage so that we can edit this video and you guys can watch it and make an informed decision. Thanks for watching today's video.